Adam Schiff. Adam, let's go into Ukraine and get kickbacks from the oligarchs to start a regime change. Schiff, if this is his district, so it's likely that this asshole has been able to come to this station right here in this building and put his propaganda into work. Izzy's going to talk about it. Give it up.
All right, cool. First time doing this. All right, so my name's Izzy. Thanks for thanks for letting me speak here. And yeah, I just happen to be a California citizen who showed up, and thank you to everybody else here who showed up as well. That's how these things happen. So there we go. All right. So you know, I'm just a California citizen, just to reiterate, and I decided to point out here that while we came out to protest in District 28, you know, Hollywood up here, this is Adam Schiff's district, and he's had a cozy relationship with CNN. Probably the most popular representative in the United States Congress is Adam Schiff, because he just walks into CNN studios and tells whatever imperious line it is for the day. He's enabled the 7 unconstitutional wars that we've had in the Middle East. But we're out here on a Sunday. Again, thank you for everybody showing up. I just showed up, and it's a Sunday. So Monday morning, what everybody here can do, if you're a local, is call your congressman's office. You can call Adam Schiff, let him know that the United States is the only acceptable decision is to drop the extradition, drop the appeal, let Julian Assange walk, let him go home.
That's right.
That's right.
Right.
Being in California, we have 2 new senators.
We have one. Yeah.
So we have 1 new senator, Alex Padilla, who we're all very familiar with. But let them know, you have a senator, they think they have the leverage. And Feinstein, they think they have the levers on the electoral process, but Adam Schiff, you know, he gets to coast to victory every 2 years, every election, and they keep us out of elections. That's what, but then, you know, their hands are on the levers, their palms are sweating. You know, if they don't let Julian Assange walk, if they don't let us have influence, we got to remind them, they work for us.
That's right.
They work for us, and when they keep on just walking all over us the way they do, we're going to replace them. Again, they have their hands on the levers. They think that we can't challenge them. We've run our elections, and we don't ever get close. But their palms are sweating because people are getting fed up with this.
That's right.
Right now, we have a squad that's entirely co-opted. Ask me, they were co-opted from the start. You know, that was our first attempt for a lot of us. We're going to try again, and we will get what we need, which is our own representation, because they work for us. So we'll put ourselves in there